We're loading her up. Let's be honest. Being the poverty spec poobahs that we are here at Crapcan Heroes, there's some folks that probably get a bit nervous with us putting our hands on a rig that originally brought the words classy and premium to the world of rugged, tough, gas-swilling sport utility vehicles. I guarantee that the words classy and premium certainly wouldn't be the first, second, or even 50th adjective to describe Kyle or I. As for this particular Wagoneer, we were turned onto it from one of our good friends and fellow Crapcan degenerates, James over at Northwest Nissan Works. We weren't aware of the condition of this mystery machine. All we had been told is that it had been abandoned on land that had changed hands a few times over the last 13 years. But considering he had just bought another Wagoneer that you're going to see us build in future videos, we assumed that this rig was derelict and would be a great donor for Dana 44 Axle. However, once we got this Field and Stream magazine on wheels up to the shop, we managed to get her fired off and running amazingly well. Although the interior has been the victim of time and neglect, we were shocked at how pristine the metalwork had been for a rig that has been sitting in the weeds since the series finale of Lost. The biggest expense in restoring a full-size Jeep, be it a Cherokee, a Wagoneer, or a J-Series pickup, is dealing with the tin worm. Many FSJ restorations have gone from full speed ahead to "aw shit, we hit an iceberg," with the lift of some carpet or a detailed undercarriage inspection. At that point, we knew that scrapping a survivor like this Waggy just for some Dana 44s would bring shame upon our family names and would definitely not be something self-appointed heroes would ever do. So after a little cleaning and a few phone calls, we decided to rehome this badass piece of history. Well, today we're in Spokane, Washington. We have found a new home for the Jeep Wagoneer and looking forward to meeting this guy. It sounds like he's had a few of them in his day, and sounds like he also has a collection of cool stuff that I hope I get to take a look at. So I'm here with Hank, the new buyer of the Wagoneer, and thank you for meeting with me. I know being on camera is not everybody's cup of tea.
It's all good.
But, so from what I understand, you've owned several of these Wagoneers, right?
Yes, about 20 of them.
Really?
Yeah.
And when did you start getting into them?
I started getting into them probably about 10 years ago.
I mean, is there something specifically? For me, it's the real classic image for them, and I really think that you've got a great one here. I hated to get rid of it. I'm glad you can give it a new home. What are your plans with it?
So I'm gonna fully restore it and do some interior work. That's probably gonna be one of them that I'm gonna keep. I've actually got a couple of them in storage already. That's what my father forgot to tell you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Well, I'm really glad that you're taking this thing. Thank you for meeting with me.
I appreciate it. I appreciate you just coming down.
Hey, no worries, man. Hank was busy, but gracious enough to take us on a very quick tour to show us a few of the vehicles he had in the warehouse. The Malibu with the 383 stroker looked like a fun ripper, and the T-Bird would make for a great episode of Will It Boom. But seeing that gorgeous 71 C10 slapped real hard. I'd consider beating up small kids for lunch money or starting an OnlyFans if I thought it would help me buy one that clean.
Factory block, factory everything. I am exciting. I bought it for my son. That it's a really awesome thing. Since I just had to keep right up my low one and drive around. It gets some love. This summer will definitely go in the car show. That's the original, one step above the original color.
And just like that, it was time for us to leave. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just remember, if you can't be rich and famous, be a hero.